Remini app video enhancer. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Remini, the amazing AI application that upscales all of your images and videos in one go. So to enhance your videos, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Remini AI, and here you're going to click on Try Remini. Now, once you do that, here you're going to go ahead and drop any of your video that you want to enhance. So let's say I want to go ahead and enhance some different video of mine. So let's say I'm going to enhance this one, right? To enhance your videos, obviously video subscribers can only do that. But if you want to go ahead and enhance it in any way, what you're going to do is simply upload your video. So I'm going to give you an example by uploading an image. Obviously, to enhance the video, you are going to need the upper plans, but it's just like this. The process goes on like this. You're going to upload whatever media you have. And once you do that, as you can see, it's going to give you a before and after on it. And on the left-hand side, it's going to give you these settings to upscale it. So let's say I want to make I want to make the background a lot more blur. Let's go ahead with version 1 on face enhancing, and let's go with the auto coloring to an orange. And once we do that, or let's go with silky. Now, once we do that, we're going to click on apply. And as you can see, it goes ahead and loads things in. And obviously, I know that it's an image right now, but this is exactly how it edits it for your videos as well. And as you can see, the before and after is amazing. It has made my image so much more better and silky as I wanted it. So basically, that is the Remini app and how you can enhance any of your media in it. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.